How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my home, Mi Casa es Tu Casa. I am Janet, your product reviewer and girl. And guys, let me just say that I am happy because I cannot wait to get my hand and opening and showing you guys my January 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. If you watched my last video, I show you that big box right there. And I show you the items that I got for December, which I was happy to get. But nevertheless, let me just show you one item that I received yesterday that should have been in that box and I didn't know about. And it was this palette right here, which it was the Tooface Just Peachy Mates palette. So I want to show you what it is and how it looks at the end of the video. So please stick around for that. But meanwhile, I'm going to show you what we're here for. And that's for the January 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. So stay watching. That the Boxycharm is a $25 subscription box. Now, any other information, I will post it in the description box like always, with the product name, the links to the products, and the prices, so you can have an idea of how much you're paying and how much your box was worth, other than the $25 that you pay for the subscription. So, like always, when you open the box, it says hello charmers, and then it says Boxycharm in the top, and of course you can always tag them at Boxycharm and use the hashtag Boxycharm also when you post your pictures in all your social media. So it's a little card that you get for the January 2020 box, and it has let me see, a bunch of products in here that we're going to look at and find out how much they're worth. The first product, which I am totally amazed because it's a full-size product, which I know for a fact, and just in case I didn't mention it, and you probably think they don't come full sizes, all Boxycharm's products are full sizes, so you get the bang for the buck. So anyways, this is from the Skin & Co. Roma company, and this is the Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. And I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but this is how the bottle looks. Yes, and this is a 5.04 ounce container. Now this is a facial product. This is for to wash your face. And let me just tell you what it says in the card right here, so you can have an idea. This is a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. It's Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. It's a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle of the luxury Italian spa experience. Now this container or this product is a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. Now, who doesn't want a healthy complexion? I do. I'm heading over that age, guys, and you know when you get into that age, the least thing you want is an ugly complexion. Not only that, but dry and doesn't look luminous, and it doesn't look healthy and hydrated. You want your face to look good. So this is a 5.7 and it costs $28. So you already right here, this product itself already covers the product the subscription price, which is $25. So let's just take a look at the consistency, and it looks like this. But it feels like it has sand. You know how you wet the sand and you rub it in your hand? That's how it feels like. So that helps, you know, remove any dirt from your face, because it acts kind of like a brush. So I kind of like that, and the cream itself actually, and it smells really nice. It's not a strong smell. It's really good. Oh my god, it reminds me of cocoa butter and oatmeal. That's what it reminds me of. $28, 5.074 ounces. Now the next product that I got here is another facial product, and this is from the company Glow Recipe. And this is a watermelon glow sleeping mask. Now this mask, you can use it two ways. You can use it as a sleeping mask, and you can use it as a wash off mask. So you get one product for $2. Now it tells you it's as a sleeping mask. It tells you that to apply as a final step of the every routine for drier skin types, an additional layer if desired. Pat gently onto absorb, wash thoroughly in the morning. So that's kind of cool. And then as a wash off mask, it tells you to apply a thick, generous layer to damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. So that is cool too. I just love, guys, the container. It looks nice. And this is a, oh my God, I can't even see that, but I believe this is a 1/4 ounce container. And we are going to open it. Okay, guys, so got it open. This is how it looks. I hope you guys can see. And I'm just gonna take a little bit out. It kind of has like, it has like a water consistency. Oh, it smells really, really nice. And I want you guys to see. It's not dripping from the thing, so it's a very thick, kind of in the thick, smooth size. The consistency of the cream. I'm just gonna cover it just in case I drop it, because you know I'm always dropping things. And I'm gonna have to be editing the video, but guys, it goes nice and smooth. It applies easily, smooth to your skin, and it absorbs. Oh my God, it smells nice. It smells like rose. Kind of gives me like a smell of roses. But anyway, let's look at the card. And the card says, this is, okay, this is the glow recipe. It's a watermelon glow sleeping mask. It's a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooth and perfects skins overnight. It says, this pillow-proof formula acts as a radiant boosting face mask formulated with a soothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating, hyaluronic, whatever you say that. Okay, acid and pore refining AHAS that works while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. Now, this puppy right here, which I am going to be using every night because I work nights mostly 90% of the time, and I come very tired, so I cannot wait to come from work, take a shower, wash my face, put it on, and go to sleep. This product itself is a $22 worth. So, okay guys, so we are going to move to the next product, but before we jump into that product, I cannot wait. I just can't wait. I just want to show you the Tooface Just Peachy Matte palette that I should have received in my December box. Real quick, I'm not going to talk too much about it. I just wanted to show you how gorgeous the palette itself is. Look at that beautiful. It looks like a little wallet, you know, those wallets that goes like that. But when you open it, you get these beautiful colors inside. And these are 3 swatches that I did. Pigmented palette, very nice. If I find out the price of this, I will put it in the description box so you can take a look at. But this is only a show and tell, so you can have an idea of the good things that you are receiving in this Boxycharm subscription box. So anyway, continuing with the January 2020 box, you know, Boxycharm. We have this right here, which I already took out the container, and to be honest, I threw the box on the floor. But anyhow, you just want to look at the item. This is what she looks like, and it's called QVEEN or QVEEN. It's a lipstick, and it says, okay, that it's a matte liquid lip satin liquid matte. It says, if you are a full coverage enthusiastic, this matte liquid lip stain your superhero. Our extremely pigmented formula gives you a true matte finish in a one coat that lasts 24 hours. So I am going to swatch this. Where can I swatch this? Because, all right, I'm going to swatch it right here. And just to say, I had to do this part of the video over because I kept dropping stuff. But that is the color right here of the lipstick. Right there. And it doesn't have no smell to it. But this lipstick only is $17 worth. So yeah. The Ace Beauty, what is it? No, I'm sorry. The Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. And this is pretty nice. because it says right here that undercover concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, also buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish infused with vitamin E and galactorabine, however you pronounce that, my dear, to keep skin moisturized and rejuvenated and improve the skin appearance. So I like that. And this only costs $25. So this is how she looks. So this one, and this is the one. It's kind of like in an angle. So we're just gonna swatch it right here, and that's how it looks. And it honestly kind of like blends into my skin, if you ask me. So very nice. It comes in this beautiful package right here, and this is the BEAUTÉ eyeshadow palette, which is kind of cool. But I took it already out the box and I already swatched some of the eyeshadows in there. But I just want to show you how pretty this is. I'm gonna flip the mirror. Look at those beautiful colors. I already swatched this color right here, which is the Aruba, and I'm gonna show you where I swatched it at, and that's Aruba right here. Aruba right there. You know, and I like to work with what I have. So I tried that Aruba color as an highlighter. So I have a little bit on my nose, a little bit in here, and a little bit right here, and it's kind of nice. So yeah, that's that. And then I did the Hibiscus right here, which is this beautiful orangey peachy color right here. And then I swatched, let me see, the Aurora, which is this color right here, and it's this one right here. Very nice. Now my favorite out of this palette is the Sangria, which is, I'm sorry, not Sangria, Bahamas, which is the Bahama color right here. And that is this color right here. Bahama, all the way down there in the corner. This one right here. Right there, which is pretty nice. Now this palette by itself is worth $34.99. Now let me just read the card for you guys. This says that this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrise and sunset witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Again, $34.99, guys. You cannot beat this. So you do the math. You have a pretty expensive products combined all together for the price of $25 for the subscription a month. I will leave you the code that you can use in case you go to the website yourself, so you can get a discount of the box. And I'm gonna give you my direct link if you want to go through that, which you only helping me with some points that later on I can use for redeem products. So being that said, help a girl here. If you like this video, you know what to do. If you want to be part of my family, you also know what to do. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Being that said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.